If budget is not a problem, I would want to recommend some perfumes which are high-end designer fragrances that are best suited for date nights or at times where you want to smell really sexy and seductive. You want your perfume to enter first than you do, and you want to create a massive impression on somebody, or if you're partying or going for a pub and you really want to be center of attention, then these are the fragrances that you should go for. My favorite, Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. I am almost at the half of it. Now, this one is a gorgeous chocolatey patchouli kind of a fragrance which has like hints of orange in it. It is super duper sexy, it's projective, it's long lasting, and it creates a long lasting impression. Then Mugler Alien. Now I have the EDT, which is this one, and an EDP as well, and just see the dent. I am just left with so little of these. This is one of my signature scents. This is a very jasmine heavy, kind of like a jasmine amber bomb, I can call it. This, you need only 4 to 5 spritz of this and you are sorted for almost 11 hours. You sweat, you go in the heat, you do whatever you want. This is not going to leave your side. Very potent fragrance and something which is good for floral lovers. Euphoria from Calvin Klein. This is also one of the most sexy fragrances in my collection. This has a very wild note of pomegranate. Now pomegranate mixing up with some florals and some woodiness. This is mature, this is sexy, this is present, and this just is very unique and different. This is the kind of fragrance that says I'm sexy and I know it. This one is from Narciso and the dent will tell you the whole story. This is Narciso Musk Noir Rose. The most sexy, spicy, addictive rose fragrance that you need to have in your collection if you have not experienced this goodness. And if you are a rose lover, I seriously don't know what you're doing, because you need to get your hands on this one and test and try and see how amazing this fragrance is. I hope that you like my recommendations. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.